Nestled in the scenic foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains just north of Black Mountain, North Carolina, is the peaceful and picturesque Montreat Conference Center. It's the home for the unique experience called Kanuga Watermedia Workshops at Montreat. For one fabulous week every spring, we offer 4 full days of instruction featuring 12 world-class award-winning instructors, as well as independent study and open studio. Class sizes range from 12 to a maximum of 24 students, and each student selects one instructor for the entire week. On-site housing is available in Montreat's majestic Assembly Inn or in the lovely historic William Black Lodge. Other lodging is available in nearby Black Mountain, as well as Airbnbs on the Montreat grounds. On this 4,000-acre wooded property, the Montreat Conference Center overlooks serene Lake Susan. Generally, students will find it very easy to make the 2 to 5 minute walk to their classrooms, but for those who have trouble getting around, we provide a shuttle service. After a day in the classroom, we gather for a fun social hour in the Assembly Inn. It's a great opportunity to unwind together and talk about the day's activities. Dinner is in the beautiful dining room adjacent to the lounge area. Meals are buffet style and the food is wonderful. We work hard to accommodate special dietary needs. Most evenings, there's a demo or program in the auditorium. For 37 years, our Watermedia workshops have created lasting friendships while encouraging the spirit of creative growth and artistic confidence. Our instructors for 2023 are Robert Burridge, Ken Call, Betty Carr, Amy Diapise, Kathy Futrell, Michael Hahn, Michael Holter, Teresa Kirk, Mick McAndrews, Richard Stevens, Ward Stroud, Sarah Yeoman, we also offer independent study as well as an open studio for painting with friends. Come and experience Kanuga Watermedia Workshops at Montreat. Join the fun, make new friends, and take in the beauty.